how to remember new words. Words तो सब सीख लेते हैं, पर याद कैसे रखे? ये सबसे बड़ा question है. What do you think, Ellie? Does this talk? This is really interesting.
It is actually. You know, बहुत लोगों को नए words use करने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है, क्योंकि उनको जानना, उनको याद नहीं रख सकते, तो फिर सही टाइम पे यूज भी नहीं करने होता. ये बहुत कॉमन इशू है.
Yes, that is where the title आज के पूरे सेशन का थीम यही है कि I can't remember new words. और मैं सबको वापस एक बार याद दिला दूं कि अगर आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ना चाहते हो तो प्लीज पुट योर ईमेल एड्रेस इन द चैट बॉक्स. माय टीम विल कांटेक्ट यू. मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं मोहम्मद, सजाद, वी हैव मनसा, वी हैव प्रज्ञा, वी हैव शिव कौशिक, and we have Shubham again. Shubham was with us in the live stream last time. Hi Mohammed, hi Mansa, hi Pragya, hi everyone. How are you people doing?
Hi.
So guys, here we have 50 words on your screen, which we made instantly. And now we have done is, we have divided them into weather, describing people and describing things. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. You can take a screenshot क्योंकि यहाँ से आपका काम शुरू होने वाला है. क्योंकि यहाँ से आपका काम शुरू होने वाला है. ठीक है? यहाँ से आपका काम शुरू होगा. I hope you guys have taken a screenshot. अब क्या करेंगे? अब मैं मेरी सपोर्ट टीम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि ये जो 50 वर्ड्स है, इनमें से 10 वर्ड्स निकालिए. 10 वर्ड्स. Okay, let's get 10 words out of these. And meanwhile, we are going to get all the people who are present here in the live stream. We have Mohammed, we have Manasa, we have Joy Sarkar. Joy Sarkar is joining us for the first time. We have Pankaj, we have Krishna, we have Shubham. Oh, we have so many people out there on the screen. Right? We have all these people. Hello, everyone. How are you feeling?
Very nice.
Very interesting. Hello, sir.
So, did you enjoy the game?
Yeah, very much.
Yes.
Okay, you enjoyed the. Okay, the team has put the first word here. Okay, the first word they have given us is ravishing. Ravishing. Can any one of you quickly make a sentence with ravishing? Quickly, anyone, come on, ravishing. Ellie will tell us the meaning of ravishing.
Okay, so ravishing is, you know, when something is really pretty, something really appealing.
Something really
Yeah,
nice.
we can say you are looking ravishing today. That kind of sentence.
Yes, you can say you're looking ravishing today. Yes, anyone else can give me a sentence, please? I'll just put on all the names here. Joy Sarkar, can you give me a sentence? Ravishing. Can we have a sentence from you with ravishing? And in the comments, please, guys, in the comments, also start adding your sentences. I will pull out. There's a dog barking somewhere.
Pankaj, it's from
There is a ravishing dress in a mall.
Ravishing?
Dress in the mall.
I'm sorry, I did not catch that. Ravishing what?
dress.
A ravishing. I just saw a ravishing dress in the mall. Yeah, that's definitely definitely a good word. That's definitely a good word.
The weather is very ravishing.
What was ravishing?
The weather.
The weather.
The weather.
The weather was ravishing. Weather was ravishing, but I'm sure there are many words. But yes, you can definitely use even this word into ravishing. We have Shubham as well in the stream. Fine. Okay, let me pull out some comments. What people are saying. Okay, a lot of people are just adding their email addresses. Raya Raghuvanshi, support team, please send her an email. Raya Raghuvanshi. Okay, we have Charlie. Elise. Okay, we have King Diamond. Please, there are so many people who have added their email addresses. Support team, please send them a thing. Okay, we have Sukhman Preet. Sukhman Preet is present in every live stream. Ravishing Pretty, you both are looking ravishing today. Thank you so much. We have fifth, which is uncommunicative. The pronunciation is uncommunicative. That's how you're going to pronounce. And Ellie is going to tell us the meaning of this particular word, uncommunicative.
So uncommunicative is is used when you can't communicate with that person, या फिर उससे ठीक से बात नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि वो दूरी बनाए रखते हैं, ठीक से रिप्लाई नहीं करते, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सेस उनके बिल्कुल कोल्ड होते हैं.
Okay, fine. So can Shubham, we have Shubham Patil. Shubham, can you give us a sentence with uncommunicative? Ayush, welcome to the live stream. Ayush, can you give me a sentence with uncommunicative?
Yes,
I'll just remove this off the screen. Yeah. Uncommunicative. Can you make a sentence quickly? We don't have the time, So we have to go through a lot of words. We have to get many people. Yeah. Uncommunicative.
Just to remind you, uncommunicative means जब कोई ठीक से जो बात नहीं करता है या कुछ बोलने को तैयार नहीं होता, कम्युनिकेट करने तैयार नहीं होता,
अपने अपने अंदर बात रखता है, बात नहीं करता है, खुलकर बात नहीं करता है, कह सकते हो. That means uncommunicative.
Okay.
Quickly, guys, quickly.
Enemies are uncommunicative to with us. Means
Enemies
those
are
communicative.
okay. Enemies are uncommunicative with us.
He had
Enemies
said-
are uncommunicative with us.
with us.
He had a headache and was rather
Is that-
uncommunicative.
Okay, he had a headache and was rather uncommunicative. Fine. Ayush, that's a good sentence. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you from, Ayush? Where are you calling it from? Ayush, you are breaking. Your voice is breaking. Okay, we have one more person who has joined us. His name is Waseed Sheikh. Waseed, you're on mute. Could you please unmute yourself? Waseed Sheikh, can you please unmute yourself? Okay, Ayush and Shubham, thank you so much for joining this live stream. And it's time, where I have to just request you to leave the live stream so that other people can join this live stream and they can even contribute to the sentences. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you.
Ayush, thank you so much, Ayush.